Alright, so I'm back. Yeah. So anyway, so like I said in the vlog today, that I had sent a mod request, custom modding. I sent a request to custom modding saying that we console players needed some Brent wagons. So, of course, I said we console players need a Brent 444, 544, 644, and 744 gravity wagons. And yeah. So anyway, so yeah, just clipping away here at the corn. So yeah, I was hoping that Sid Modding would hurry up and get the John Deere combines all set up and out, ready to go. But he hasn't done that yet. We haven't heard nothing from him since the start of FS25. And so far, we haven't heard anything from him. So, kind of sucks that his combines aren't out. But, oh well. Yeah, every time when the sun goes behind some clouds, it makes it 10 times chillier. Or 2 times chillier. Scrounge around for some more corn in a little while. I've only made 4 videos so far, so yeah, it's not like it's a big deal, but still. That wagon will almost be full by the time he gets done dumping. So I'll be back home early tomorrow because it's an early out.